5 a.m. Big Betsy's waiting for me. It's time to go fucking rib. Today, we're riding Lake Elsinore track. Instead of Paris, we're going to Lake Elsinore. I ain't ever been here before. So yeah, bro, let's fucking hop into it. That's right, guys. I went ham with it for y'all. Boom! It's only 8 o'clock. And I got the motherfucking bike loaded. I'm already on my way to the track. I woke up at like 6. Fucking America, we got fucking an airport with jets, dirt bikes. This track looks fucking sweet.
Nigga get me mad, get on the gram and post a Curtis Jackson. That's a 50, just in case you asking. Shit, I feel like AI when I'm ballin'. I don't need no practice. Oh, just threw it on me in the strip, then that tripped off the back end. Back to back, that truck, they looking like, what the hell, Joe Biden? Shit, they brag, I reach, you fuck with us. You can't do no hiding. Try it out, fit up with fish and slips. Come and choose your liking. Bitch, I got en route, just in time, like a fucking Viking. Baby, at GLS feel like it's skies on when I'm in the wheel. Ho keep asking me about other hoes, I'm tired of this little bitch. Fresh up out the mall, racks for the fit, I ain't even post a drill. Just round me, won't smoke, they favorite rapper. Damn, they're not a win. Nigga, I'm a diamond in the rough, you boys is moist and ain't. I know niggas that slide, swing, and shoot, but that's triple mic. Walked up out the bank with so much cheese, they think I pulled a heist. I done did so much dirt in my life, I take it up with Christ. Last year I was in booby.
I'm actually filmed it, but I'm a fat ass bitch. They had tacos and everything. Good time. There was a crazy crash, and I almost fucking crashed. Flew into the flagger. I just got a little winky coming off of a jump, and then I went sideways, and then I flew into the flagger damn near. But anyways, I was cruising around the parking lot, and I found the dude who was had the GoPro filming behind me. So this next clip, I'm about to add this clip in. This is just, I almost just died, y'all. It's a sacrifice I do for this content. It's crazy. Truckers are just going skydiving. They just keep falling on the ground. Like they just keep coming from space, bro. Look at all these fools. Oh yeah, just jumped out of a fucking plane. Oh yeah, just jumped out of a fucking plane. Yeah, high five, dude. Just fucking jumped out. Oh look, we got a fucking dude. Oh, coming in hot as fuck. Yo! Oh! Let's go. Y'all are fucking psychopaths. Oh, what the fuck, dude? This is the most cow-talking shit ever, man. Like, the fucking engine. So the vato was on, and I took off the engine mount bolt on the other side. So now we're gonna go into Home Depot. And we're gonna see if we can find this engine mount, because I'm not trying to fuck with this shit another day, okay? I'm finna knock this shit out right now. And the bike shops and shit are closed since it's Sunday. And you do drive to Tacoma. Fucking, if you drive to Tacoma, you can just unsubscribe now. This one at Home Depot, $2. They look a little janky, but it should do the job. I just be doing this shit in the parking lot like a grade A fucking savage, G. Feel me? Moment of truth. Bro, this doesn't like butter, G. I gotta tighten the exhaust up. That was a success. I even swapped it out so the side that you can see now is spiffy and new. So, you know, my New Mexico training really helped me out. Now I just be in parking lots getting down.